Today I am reviewing the BESTTAB 2026 12-inch tablet. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a tablet that can truly replace your laptop and keep up with every part of your busy digital life, the BESTTAB 2026 12-inch tablet is designed to deliver exactly that. This device is not just another tablet. It's a powerhouse built for multitasking, creativity, and entertainment. Let's start with performance. The BESTTAB comes equipped with a massive 48 gigabytes of RAM, including 12 gigabytes of physical memory and an additional 36 gigabytes of expansion. This means you can run multiple apps, dozens of browser tabs, and even high-performance games simultaneously without ever experiencing lag. Paired with the Unisoc T7280 Octa-Core processor, this tablet handles intensive workloads effortlessly. From video editing to productivity apps, online classes, or gaming, this tablet keeps everything smooth and responsive. When it comes to storage, the BESTTAB doesn't disappoint. With 256 gigabytes of built-in storage, expandable up to 2 terabytes, you'll never run out of space for your photos, videos, apps, or large project files. Whether you are a student managing assignments, a professional handling work documents, or a gamer storing large files, this tablet gives you peace of mind that you won't hit storage limits anytime soon. Now, let's talk about the display. The 12.2-inch 2.5K screen offers a stunning resolution of 2400 by 1600, giving you bright, crisp visuals with a 90 Hz refresh rate for silky smooth scrolling and responsive touch controls. The 120 Hz touch sampling rate ensures that every stylus stroke or swipe is ultra-precise, making this tablet ideal for artists, designers, and note-takers. The screen produces 350 nits of brightness, so you can even use it outdoors without struggling to see the content. Compared to standard 10-inch tablets, this larger screen gives you a 20% wider field of view, making it perfect for watching movies, video conferencing, multitasking, or working on spreadsheets and presentations. For content creation, the 16MP dual camera system is impressive. The cameras capture detailed images and videos even in low-light settings, while AI-powered enhancements automatically improve color, sharpness, and clarity. You'll get professional-looking results without complicated editing software. And with the 10,000 mAh battery, you can enjoy long hours of use. Expect up to 14 hours of video playback, 10 hours of gaming, or 50 hours of music streaming. The tablet also supports 18W fast charging, so you can quickly get back to work or play without long downtime. The BESTTAB is more than just a tablet for entertainment. It's built for productivity. With the latest Android 16 operating system, you get smooth performance, advanced privacy controls, and AI optimizations that help manage tasks efficiently. Gemini AI 2.0 enhances your workflow by converting voice memos into formatted reports, improving photo quality, and optimizing app performance. It's like having a personal assistant built into your tablet. Versatility is another standout feature. The BESTTAB comes with a keyboard, stylus, and mouse, transforming it into a two-in-one workstation that can handle office tasks, online classes, creative work, or gaming. Its 5G Wi-Fi, OTG support, GPS, Face ID, and quad-box speakers make it fully equipped for work, play, and communication. Widevine L1 support allows you to stream full HD content on popular platforms like Netflix, Disney+, and Amazon Prime, making it a true mobile cinema experience. Finally, the BESTTAB comes with a 4-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. You can invest in this tablet knowing it is built to last and backed by a company committed to support. Whether you're buying this as a personal device or as a gift, it is versatile, powerful, and reliable. In conclusion, the BESTTAB 2026 12-inch tablet is a tablet that combines performance, portability, and versatility like no other. It handles heavy multitasking, delivers cinematic visuals, supports creative workflows, and keeps you connected all day with long-lasting battery life. If you're looking for a high-performance Android tablet that can work as a laptop, entertainment device, and creative tool all in one, the BESTTAB 2026 is an unbeatable choice. This is not just a tablet. It's your all-in-one solution for productivity, entertainment, and mobility.